Everybody to the R44 workshop. Today you find us in our new HQ. So this is our first video filming. I think we've had like 4 G80s in here since moving in the last week or two. So yeah, we've got a great friend, Will. He's opted for the MST. So today we're going to film an install video showcasing what's in the box, what goes on the car, and what it sounds like before and after. So let's open it up and go from there. Cool, guys and girls, we're just going to show you kind of the setup that MST supplies. So you've got 2 of the turbos are in the same location. Obviously the intakes are on the left and the right hand side. So you've got a small kind of elbow. You can see, you know, I've actually personally been developing an intake for this car and know how tough it is in this bend in general, because it's the turbo's right there and then you got to get it up there. And in these materials, it's quite difficult. So you can see what they've kind of done, some design features there. You've got the kind of stretch across the front of the engine over to the right hand side of the car, so it comes with that. It's actually a really easy kit to install, just clips into the turbo. You've got, they're actually open like kind of mounts, so these mount in like that and the intake will go like that. We'll see how that, we'll have to have a look at some intake temps, see how they run, but MSTs always run pretty good temps, so run like that, which means, you know, you've just got the noise coming straight away from the intake, which will be good. So exactly same setup, left and right hand side. It's a simple intake. It's, you know, it's a quick on off. It's a good home install. So we'll show you how we do it, and we can go from there. Cool, so everybody, we've now fitted the intakes. It was actually a seamless install, basically just removing all the original parts and swapping them out for the MST parts. Yeah, the guy, our tech here, just smashed it out. Probably about a half an hour install, so great for something to do at home. Yeah, so far let's do it. Should we jump in it, get it started, and then maybe get it outside, do a couple pulls, because these cars, like when we've been developing our intake, you don't really get the kind of sound of an intake until it's under load. So we'll give it a go. Hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. We're going to really push the videos now. We're here, new unit, 2 ramps, wrapping bay, loads of content to come. So guys, thanks again.